Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are focusing on a skill that will save you hundreds of yours. How to plan an academic writing project. Whether you are working on thesis, a research paper, or a dissertation, a good plan is the secret to finishing on time without mistake. In this video, I will show you a simple step-by-step planning framework. Okay, let's jump right in. First one, you must define your scope. Don't try to answer huge questions. Keep your research questions small and specific. It is much easier to write clearly about another topic. Second one, conduct primarily research. Go to Google Scholar and get to 10 to 15 core papers. Don't read everything. Just read the abstract and the contribution to see if the paper is useful. Third, create your schedule outline. Never start writing on blank page. Create your headings first and set a word budget for each chapter. This keeps your paper balanced. Number four, build a timeline. Always use reverse scheduling. Look at your final deadline and work backward. Try to finish your first draft 2 weeks before the official submissive date. Finally, we have drafting and reviewing. Remember this golden rule: separate your writing time from your editing time. Write your ideas first and fix the mistakes later. Guys, and finally, let's look the golden rules for academic success on documents. First, treat your word count like money. Budget only 10% for the institution, 30% for the literature review, and 30% for your feelings and dissertation. Second, write first, edit later. If you try to fix every sentence independently, you will get stuck. Just let the ideas flow.